Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Notice anything different? Yep, I'm bald-headed. I mean, I really should stop saying I'm bald-headed. I'm not bald-headed. I definitely still have hair on my head. What today's video is basically going to be about is why I cut my hair, what led me to cut my hair, how I feel after cutting my hair, and yeah, just basically why I cut my hair. And also just, I do this like every update video I do where I talk about how I'm gonna make more videos, but I feel really confident about me making videos in the future and the type of videos I'm gonna make. So I'll talk a little bit about that in the end, but let's talk about the hair for right now. So I cut my hair about maybe 2 to 3 weeks ago, and there were maybe 3 main reasons why I cut my hair. The first reason is that I've always been in love with really short cuts. All my life I've seen women in the media, you know, in society, walking around, magazines, wherever, and they have these really beautiful short haircuts. And I always thought that it showed off their features, they looked really beautiful, and I always wished that I could do that, but I never thought that I could actually do it because, you know, I have a big head and I have a big forehead, and I thought that there would be no way that I could pull that off. Also, over the years, I basically used my hair as a security blanket. I always felt like I wouldn't be beautiful without long hair, without the long curly hair that I'm known for. When I was younger, I've had guys tell me that, you know, your hair is what makes you pretty. If you didn't have this hair, you wouldn't be pretty. Or even just growing up in my family, or, you know, just I feel like there's a stigma with Black women or African American women where the women with the longer hair or curly hair or just long hair in general are the most beautiful or the prettiest. And, you know, I feel like as the years go by, we starting to go farther away from that stigma. People are starting to embrace their natural hair, their natural beauty, however it comes. So I feel like I was always stuck in the mindset okay, I have to have long curly hair because that's what's seen in society as pretty and beautiful, and that's what people know me for, I guess. So I was really scared to do that. I've changed my hair a lot because I'm simply impulsive. I've had my hair red, I've had highlights, I have ombre, I had light brown hair, I had black hair, I had all different types of hair colors, and I've cut my hair, but never this short. The shortest I've probably cut my hair is shoulder length, or a little bit under shoulder length. That's the shortest I've ever cut my hair. So this was a really big change for me. Yeah, so I just decided, you know what? I'm not gonna care what people are gonna think. I'm gonna do what I wanna do. So I went and got some scissors. I put my hair into 4 ponytails. I had my boyfriend on FaceTime for moral support, and I just chopped all 4 of those ponytails off. Then I went in the shower, washed it, styled it when I got out of the shower, and just kind of cut to make it look as even as possible. I don't know how well it looks right now. I think I need to wash my hair. It's a little flat, but whatever. But yeah, that's how I cut my hair. So that's reason number 1, just I've always been in love with it. 2, like I said, impulsivity. I'm impulsive. I dye my hair when I feel like it. I cut my hair when I feel like it. I get tattoos. I get tattoos when I'm feeling impulsive. I changed my outer appearance. I used to have a nose pierce. I had my nose pierced 3 times. I've had 2 ear holes. like normal stuff, but I'll get it at the most random times. Like I'll just wake up one day and be like, oh, I want a tattoo. Oh, I want a nose piercing. Oh, I want this. Oh, I want to change my hair. You know, oh, I want to straighten my hair or whatever. That's just something I do. And 3, it's summertime. It's hot. I was so done with my hair right now. It is so hot outside. My hair dries up. The humidity kills my hair, makes it poofy. No matter how much I deep condition, no matter how much I put water on it, restyle, try to do protective styles, my hair is a hot mess, and I was just tired of it. I was like, why do I have to deal with this? You know, it's too hot to be putting on wigs. It's too hot. I mean, I just had box braids in protective style. I'm done with that. I'm ready for a change, a big change. So that's what I did. That's the 3rd reason why I cut off my hair. So basically, I always loved short haircuts. I just never thought I could pull it off, which is crazy because everyone likes it so far. My boyfriend, my friends, my family, my parents, people on Instagram, people on Twitter, people actually like it. So I'm very shocked, but pleasantly surprised about that. I'm impulsive and I'm hot. And I think the last reason, which I wasn't sure if I was gonna say this, but I think also I wanted to cut my hair to just cut off some of the bad energy in a way. This is kind of me connecting it to my spiritual life, I guess. I have been going through a lot in the past couple of months. A lot of crazy, tragic things have happened to me, and I haven't made all of it public yet, but I'll probably talk about it in another video. But I think this is a way of just like cleansing myself, starting new, starting fresh, rebirthing, new beginning type thing. So that is, I think that's in total all the reasons why I cut my hair. I love it. It's really easy. I just wake up and I'll either spray my hair with some water, do my baby hairs, and then basically I'm out the door. And I throw on some earrings. I really want to get into doing head wraps with scarves and stuff. I don't really know how to do that well, but I want to learn how to do that. I'm excited to accessorize more because when I had my hair like longer, I didn't feel like I needed to wear, even though I probably should have, but needed to wear like earrings or like even silly things like sunglasses to accessorize, or like, you know, just like accent jewelry or whatever. But now I feel like, not that I need it, but I feel like it looks even better with a short haircut. So I don't usually wear earrings, but I have on my hoop earrings right now. I'm just gonna give you guys 360. So I cut it 2 weeks ago, but it's already growing back. You can't really tell because my hair is still curly, so it shrinks up. But I'm gonna slowly turn around so you guys can see. Ow, I hit my knee. I don't want to get too out of focus. Okay, so this is it. I hope you guys like my hair. I love it. I can't wait to just have some more fun with it. I feel like everything looks better now. I feel like I look older, which is good because I always felt like I looked really young with my hair. Like I'm turning 23 next month, and I always felt really young, especially since my hair is just big and round and curly. I would always get mistaken as someone younger than a 23-year-old. What else do I want to say? Oh yeah, update on videos, which I sound like a broken record. I know, I get it. But honestly, I really feel like this is a possibility for me. As I said, a lot of changes have happened in my life, and it just so happens that I have a lot more free time now to do things like this. So yeah, I have a lot more free time. I have my camera here. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the quality is a little bit better. I have a lens that I never use, this 50mm, and I finally figured out how to make it work, and I really like the way this looks. I have a new lens, I have time. I've been learning some new editing tricks and things like that. I also am thinking about getting a vlog camera because I want to start taking you guys outside my home. Like, I feel like making these videos in my house is boring, and it gets boring just sitting in the house because I feel like you'll just run out of stuff to do or run out of stuff to talk about. So I want to start going out, going to events, showing you guys, bringing you guys with me when hanging out with friends, doing cool stuff, trying to do new things. So I'm in a crossroads. I'm in transitions about what type of videos I want to make. But I will say they will still consist of hair, beauty, some makeup. I don't wear a bunch of makeup anymore. I wear it quite less than I did in the past. But yeah, what was I saying? Bad memory. Anyways, yeah, so hair, beauty, makeup. I want to do vlogs. I want to do lifestyle. I want to do advice. I want to do a lot of stuff. But it's just taking some time for me to figure things out. And also, I talked about this in the past, I have anxiety. I have fear about making these videos. It's very hard to get over, but I'm pushing past it to make these. So I apologize in advance if, you know, it takes me a while to get back into the swing of things, because even making a video like this is hard, being in front of the camera and putting yourself out there. So cut me a little bit of slack. But yeah, other than that, I think that's about it. I hope you guys like my haircut. Feel free to leave suggestions. I think I'm gonna make a video about my updated wash and go routine, deep conditioning routine with the curly hairstyles. I wanna do like a lookbook type thing with like outfits. Yeah, like summer outfits. I'm going to a music festival, Panorama, in about a week or a week and a half, so I might vlog and take you guys there with me. I want to do some stuff with wigs. I got some ideas, so stay tuned for all that. Thank you guys so much, all you guys who are still subscribed to me. I appreciate it so much. New subscribers, thank you for watching. People who aren't subscribed yet, thank you for watching, and I hope you have an amazing, blessed, beautiful day. Bye.